Welcome back, my friends! Today we're going to draw this cute dog with shapes. Before we begin, let's review the shapes that we need to know to draw this little cute dog. First, we need to know that a circle looks like this. And here's an oval. And we also have a semicircle. So these three shapes will help you finish drawing this dog. Now let's get started. First, we will need to draw the eyes. So to do that, we're going to draw two circles. Next, we're drawing the nose. A smaller circle. And below the circle, we'll draw a line down. And then we'll draw a semicircle, which is gonna be its mouth. And now you can start to see the face come together. We're going to draw a big circle around these shapes that we just drew. That will make the face of the dog. Afterwards, the dog will need ears. So to give him ears, we're drawing these oval shapes. You guys are doing great. We're almost done. We just need to give him two little paws, which are going to be little circles. Now to fill in the details, we can draw a circle inside this circle that we made for his eyes. Alright, and if you want to make his eyes sparkle, you can draw little circles within this circle. So I'm going to draw two little circles. This will make the dog's eyes pop. So now we can begin to color it in. You can choose to make it any color you want, but I'm going to stick with black. Doesn't the dog's eyes look lovely? Well, now I'm going to finish coloring the dog, and you can do the same. Woof! We are done! Thanks for drawing this dog with me. Are you going to name your dog? Leave the name in the comment section below. I think I will name mine Luna. Like this video if it was helpful to you, and subscribe for more easy drawing videos. Stay creative. Bye!